Good evening. Category 4 tropical cyclone Winston lies about 800 kilometers southwest of Nadi this evening, moving southeast at around 8 kilometers per hour. At this time, TC Winston is having minimal influence on our weather, with just briefing passing showers mostly about the west of the group. However, it is apparent now that tropical cyclone Winston will start to move northeast back towards the eastern and central divisions of Fiji later tomorrow and Monday. Although unusual, it is not unknown for cyclones to turn back after passing Fiji, and we should be prepared for a significant impact over southern and eastern parts of the country early next week. A weak eye is evident in the cloud bands at the center of tropical cyclone Winston, a sign that this system remains a severe Category 4 system. Also evident on the satellite image are bands of cloud across the west of the country, responsible for periods of rain over that part of the country today. The wind circulation of TC Winston continues to dominate the wind chart. The very strong winds on the east side of the cyclone are evident on the current chart. Tomorrow we can expect TC Winston to turn northeastward and start to weaken slightly. The fresh to strong northerly winds will shift northwest and then westerly tomorrow as the low moves to the south of Fiji. The official forecast track is shown here. As you can see, the forecast track brings TC Winston on a recurving path northeast up towards the southeastern part of Fiji next week around Tuesday. There is a high risk of direct impacts of TC Winston on Kadavu, southern and central Lao, Lomai Viti and southeastern Viti Levu, including Suva around midweek next week. Overcast skies with occasional showers passing over the western division tomorrow with fresh to strong and gusty northwest winds. A few heavy falls likely with local flash flooding possible. For the northern division, cloudy with passing showers heavy at times in the morning with a chance of a thunderstorm. Local flash flooding likely, fresh to strong and gusty northwest winds. Overcast and humid across the central and eastern divisions again tomorrow with a few showers at first. Showers increasing tomorrow night with a few heavy falls likely. Fresh and gusty west to northwesterly winds strengthening tomorrow night. Northwest winds fresh to strong and gusty with rough seas and swells over open waters. Strong wind warnings are still current and mariners should continue to use every precaution. With TC Winston now forecast to curve back over southern parts of Fiji, we need to consider preparedness for those parts of Fiji potentially in harm's way. For now, impacts from TC Winston will be minimal while the center of the cyclone is well to the southwest. However, you should remain alert as the cyclone passes to our south and be prepared for further impacts next week if the cyclone approaches Fiji as forecasted. You can keep up to date through our various subscription services. Details of how to subscribe for mobile weather updates via text message for Vodafone and Ink users are on our Facebook page. And for details on how to get access to our premium subscription service, you can check out our website at NaDraki.com. Please do check in tomorrow evening for more local weather information. From the MyTV and NaDraki team, we wish you a pleasant evening.